So, welcome to another video here at Back to Classics. Today will be all about the Alfa Romeo 75 2-liter twin spark restoration project. As we're going to visit Autobedrijf Duijzer, where they are doing the bodywork on the car, which is very much needed, as you saw in previous episodes on this project. So we're going to take a look at that, and then maybe if we have time left, we're also going to dive into the technical restoration, mainly the engine as well. So that's up for today. So now we're underway to Duijzer in Hoornaar in the south of Holland, where we're going to view how they are progressing with the car. So we're here at Duijzer in Hoornaar in the Netherlands, and we're going to talk to Martijn here, owner and operator.
Hi. Hi.
Hello. Hey. So we're here to discuss the Alfa 75 project. What else do you do here in this workshop?
All kind of classics, but mainly Alfa. Restoring, spraying, engine rebuild, everything.
Everything.
Yeah.
Very nice.
As long as it's old.
Yeah, of course. Same as with us.
Exactly.
Okay, so let's have a look at the Alfa 75.
Of course, yes. Have a look.
Ah, there it is. And work has been done already.
As you see, we already cut the rear wing off.
Yep.
You can see they've been working on it before, some Bondo in it and everything. Yeah, so now we can restore the inside. We found a new piece for the back, so that's more easy to do. The other way, we found also a new back panel, original. Have a look, that's nice. Before we can weld it in, there have been some repairs here. After that, we can also the other side, the right side, also the same treatment. Already some holes in it, of course, stuck away behind the plastic part. I will send it to Sanders. Sanders, have a look. Sanders is the guy working on your car. What's the plan, Sanders?
So, plan is moving from back forward. So basically, I did the whole rear section of the car, and now I'm proceeding with the arches. Cut this thing out and then see what's underneath. It's from a lot of layers, so you cut one layer out, you repair it, and then proceed just like that.
So that gives a good impression, I think, of what we're doing to the Alfa Romeo 75 bodywork. A lot of work to do still.
Yes, indeed. Yeah.
So a lot of welding, and then of course a new paint job as well.
Yeah, I think it will be red, you thought?
Red, yes. Yeah. We're going to.
Yeah.
If I can decide, why not go for the color I really like.
Yeah, of course, I understand. Yeah.
So still a long road ahead of us.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for today, and let's get this guy into the bed. So, back in the Back to Classics workshop. I hope you get a good idea of what has all been done and is going to be done to the Alfa Romeo 75 at the body shop. I'm sure these guys are very capable of repairing all the panel work, as well as giving that car a beautiful new paint job, which it deserves. Meanwhile, there's a long road ahead of us in this restoration project, and next up for me is to get this sorted. The Alfa Romeo 2-liter twin-spark engine needs to be taken apart so we can view what all needs replacing to get this engine to the same standard as that body is being prepared right now. Of course, that also means that we are going to replace parts, but maybe also give this engine a little upgrade here and there. So if you have any good ideas on tuning these engines, please let us know in the comments. We are very serious about that, and we are very keen to hear what your thoughts are on that. So if you like this video, please be sure to give us a thumbs up. Also, be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. That helps us a lot. Be sure to go over to our website and subscribe to our newsletter so you'll be kept informed about what is all going on here in the workshop. For now, we thank you very much for watching. Toodle-dokie. See you next time.